How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to look at how to check the coolant level and how to fill the coolant in your 2015 to 2020 F-150. So to start, you're going to want to pop your hood. It's this little latch right here on the driver's side. Just pull that. So with the engine cool, you want to check your min max line here, and you can see on my truck it's way far down. So definitely need to add some coolant. There is a tiny coolant leak somewhere, so need to get that addressed as well. But for today, we're just going to get it filled up. Alright, so what I'll be using is some concentrated yellow Motorcraft coolant. That's what it calls for on the 2015 to 2020 Eco Boost. Got the 35. So going to need a 50-50 mixture of the concentrate and distilled water. And we're just going to take a clean funnel and get this mixed up. Alright, now that we've got that mixed up, just going to cap it off with the right cap. Give it a good mix, and then we'll add it to our reservoir. Alright, now that we verified that the engine is cold, it's been sitting for about 2 hours, we can go ahead and safely pop this off. Put our funnel on and start adding our coolant till we reach the max fill line. Alright, now that we can verify that that is at the top of that max line there, then we can go ahead and reinstall the cap, making sure it goes on straight. There we go, all the way. And then you're good to go.